Good morning students. Today we will discuss about chapter 16 area of trapezium. First we know that in last chapter 14 we will chapter 13 we will discuss about properties of trapezium. So in the trapezium two sides are parallel, a quadrilateral A, B, C, D, a quadrilateral in which two sides are parallel, one pair of opposite sides are parallel, then it is called trapezium. So first side is A and second side B. We assume that length of first side is A and length of second side is B. Height of the trapezium is H. Then we denote area of trapezium. Area of trapezium is equal to 1/2 bracket sum of parallel side multiply by height. Otherwise we will say 1/2 bracket A plus B multiply by H. Okay students, so in the trapezium we have two parallel sides, one is height. Then see some questions depend on this formula. In our first question a trapezium is given. Here first parallel side is 8 cm, second parallel side is 10 cm and height of the trapezium is given 6 cm. If we want to find area of trapezium, then area of trapezium is equal to 1/2 bracket A plus B multiply by height, where A we assume that A is 8 cm, B is 10 cm and height is equal to 6 cm. What we assume? First side of the parallelogram is 8, second side of a parallelogram is 10. Then next distance between the parallel side, or we say height, is 6 cm. Then area is equal to 1/2 bracket 8 plus 10 multiply by 6, 1/2 8 plus 10 18 multiply by 6, 1/2 multiply by 18 multiply by 6, cancel out by 2, 2 9 ja 18, 9 6 ja 54 centimeter square. Remember that always unit of area is square unit. If sides are in centimeter, then here centimeter square. If sides are in meter, then here meter square. So we will do these type any questions if parallel sides or height is given. In the question, if parallel sides and height is given, then first we make diagram, represent the which are parallel side. You can assume any parallel side, but smaller is upper side and larger is down side. Then 6 cm is the height, or we will say also distance between parallel side. Now in these trapezium we have three types of questions. First type is that we want to find area of trapezium. Second type, if parallel side area of trapezium is given, like area is equals to 54 centimeter square, area of trapezium is 54 centimeter square, height is also given 10 centimeter, one parallel side is given 8 centimeter, and second parallel side we want to find out. In first type we find area. In second type questions we want to find one parallel side, that is not given in the questions. So if area is equals to 54 centimeter square, height is 10 centimeter, one side of the trapezium is 8 centimeter. We want to find second parallel side of trapezium, then let's we assume it is x centimeter. What we assume? It is x centimeter. Then if we assume it is x centimeter, height of the trapezium is given 10 centimeter, and one parallel side it is given that 8 centimeter. Then according to area of trapezium is equal to 1/2 bracket a plus b multiply by height is equal to 1/2 bracket a plus b. A is given 8 centimeter plus b is given, we assume it x centimeter, multiply by height is 10 centimeter. Remember that if you assume x centimeter is the side, then we write a complete statement, let b second parallel side is x centimeter. Okay, and area of trapezium is also given here 54 centimeter. Then cancel out 2 to 5. Here we got it 8 plus x bracket multiply by 5. If we solve it completely, then 54 is equal to 8 5 ja 40. We multiply first 8 to 5 plus we multiply 8 to 5, then we also multiply x to 5, then we got it 5x. Now 54 minus 40 is equals to 5x. 54 minus 40, we got it 14 is equals to 5x. Then x is equal to 14 upon 5. If we divide, then we got it 2.8 centimeter. Understand? So second type of the question in the area of trapezium, that one side is not given, height is all given, one side is given, and area of trapezium is given. We want to find second side of the trapezium. Then first we assume that second side of the trapezium is x centimeter. Then according to formula, area of trapezium half bracket a plus b multiply by height, half as it is, a value of a is 8 centimeter, value of b is x centimeter, and height of the trapezium is equal to 10 centimeter. We cancel out 2 to 10, then we cancel out by 5 times. 8 plus x multiply by 5. If we multiply 1 by 1, then 8 5 ja 40, and x into 5, 5x. If we change the side, 40 on that side, then 54 minus 40, 14. That side 5x. We divide by 5, then we got it 2.8 centimeter. Understand? Any problem? Then you can tell me on WhatsApp or chat on the app. Third type of this formula, if area of trapezium is given, like area is equals to 208 centimeter square. One parallel side is given 10 centimeter and second parallel side is given 14 centimeter. We want to find height. Here we want to find area, then one side, then height. Second, height is not given. Then again same method, let be the height of trapezium is x centimeter. Remember that thing, height also we can say it is the distance between two parallel sides. So in this question, here first side is 10 centimeter, second side is 14 centimeter, and height is not given, we assume it is the x centimeter, and our area also given 208 centimeter. Then according to formula, area of trapezium is 1/2 bracket a plus b multiply by height is equal to 1/2 bracket a is given 10 centimeter plus b is given 14 centimeter multiply by x. 10 plus 14 we got it 1/2 multiply by 24 multiply by x, and area is 208. Now cancel out by 2, we got it 12. So remaining is 12 multiply by x, 208. X is equals to 208 divided by 12. If we cancel out by 4, then 4 5 ja 20, 4 2 ja 8 upon 3. Now cancel out by 3, then 3 1 ja 3, 3 7 ja 21.33 centimeter. So our height is 17.33 centimeter. Again listen, area of trapezium is given 208 centimeter square. One parallel side is given 10 centimeter, second is 14 centimeter. If we say want to find height of the trapezium or distance between two parallel side, so first let be the height of the trapezium is x centimeter. What we assume, height of the trapezium is x centimeter. Then area of trapezium according to formula, half multiply by sum of parallel side multiply by height. So area is given half, first parallel side is 10 centimeter, second parallel side is 14 centimeter. We want to find height, then sum of the parallel sides is 10 plus 14, 24. If we cancel out 24 by, then we got it 12. 12 multiplied by x. Now, if we want to find x, then 12 divided by 208, we got it 17.33 centimeter. Write down. Now, fourth type, some algebraically method. See here, some algebraic method, how we will do. Like, if ratio of the parallel side is given, like in this trapezium, if the ratio of parallel side is 6:7 and height is equal to 10 centimeter, area also given is 200 centimeter square. We want to find both parallel side A and B. Then let B the parallel sides are 6x and 7x. What we assume? First parallel side is 6x, second parallel side is 7x. Here we will change value of area. Let me assume it is given that 280 centimeter square. Its calculation easy. Now, area of trapezium is 1/2 bracket a plus b multiplied by height. So, area of trapezium is given 280 centimeter, half bracket. A is given first side 6x, second side is 7x multiplied by height is given 10. Then cancel out 2 to 10 5 times. 280 is equals to 6 plus 7 13x multiplied by 5. So if we divide 13 5 ja 65x, on that side 280, x is equals to 280 divided by 65. If we cancel out by 5, then 56 upon 13. Again we cancel out 13 4 ja 52, remaining 4, 13 3 ja 39, remaining 1 0. So our answer, what we got it? X is 4.3. We want to find parallel side. Here we got it only value of x. So parallel sides are x is equals to, first one is 6x, then 6 multiplied by 4.3. What we got it? 6 3 ja 18, 6 4 ja 24, 1 25.8. Second parallel side is given that 7x, then 7 multiplied by 4.3, 7 3 ja 21, 7 4 ja 28 to 30.1. Understand? So this type we can calculate area of trapezium. if some questions are given that one side is double of the other, then if we assume one is x, then second is 2x. If we are given that one side is less than 22 other, so if we assume it is x, then it is the x minus 20. Okay students, then do exercise 14.1 16a in your notebook and submit your worksheet also till Wednesday on the app, otherwise on WhatsApp study group. Okay students, thank you.